To install and activate your Xfinity Internet, start by ordering the service and obtaining a self-installation kit. Begin the installation process by placing the wireless gateway near a coaxial cable outlet. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to the wall socket, securing it tightly, and the other end to the gateway's coaxial input. Next, plug one end of the power cable into the gateway and the other into an electrical outlet. The gateway should power on automatically, but if it doesn't, press the power button. Wait for the online connection light to appear, which may take up to 20 minutes, and be aware that the gateway may reboot as it updates. Once the installation is complete, activate your Xfinity Internet using the Xfinity app. Download the app from your device's app store. Then sign in using your Xfinity ID and password, or create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be prompted to start the activation process, or you can select the account option to initiate it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation, and your Xfinity Internet will be up and running. The entire process is straightforward, and with these steps, you can easily install and activate your Xfinity Internet.